Hey, what's up, everybody? It is Uncle Matt. It is Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas to you and yours. We are starting the day off by doing some prep work for our traditional Christmas prime rib that we make every year now. Did something a little different this year. We saw like a million different videos that said salt the prime rib and then leave it in the fridge overnight to pull the moisture out, to get the good moisture in the meat, which I always thought was like the opposite of what you do with like beef and meat. Is you don't want to season it until you're about to cook it because you don't want the moisture pulled out too early. But saw enough people say to do it, so we did it. See how it turns out. Next phase of this is we got to make a nice little herb garlic butter mix to coat the whole thing in. Cool thing about this is it's really delicious when it turns out well, but it's really super easy to cook. I think like the recipe we're using calls for it to only cook for like 45 minutes at like 500 degrees, and then you just shut everything down, put it in the oven, or leave it in the oven, don't open it, let the residual heat finish cooking it for like 2 hours. So a lot of indirect work on this one that turns out to be pretty easy. So hopefully we will have a delicious prime rib to eat later on this evening. Butter, make sure we're gonna keep pretty simple. We got 2 sticks of butter, we're gonna go salt, pepper, garlic, and I've got a little herb blend with some like parsley, oregano, rosemary, all the traditional aromatic herbs that you would do. So just gonna throw all that together, blend it all up, and then we will coat our beef with the mixture. And voila, we have garlic herb butter. To the meat it goes. This is the fun part. All right, the prime rib is all lathered up and ready to go, but unfortunately I am cursed with having to go watch the Titans play the Seahawks, so this is gonna hang out here and Jessica's gonna throw it in the oven in a couple hours and should be delicious. Just got home from the Titans game. They have once again found an impressive way to lose a winnable game, but they're already eliminated from playoff contention, so there was no expectations, no hope on this game. So in that regard, they did not manage to ruin Christmas like they would have otherwise done had this season been a better season and had they been more in the mix competing for a playoff spot. But home now, time to let the Christmas festivities begin. Jessica's got the roast in the oven already, so let's go in, check in, see how things are going. Received my first gift of the day as a little grab bag with like some candy and snacks and stuff from my mom's friend Peggy, and it apparently includes this, which is like a viral TikTok super pin or something like that. So I wanted to test it out to see it's all it's cracked up to be. See what's so special about this viral pin. See if we can figure out what makes this pin so special. If I can even get it to work. Oh, it's got a little cap on it. I'm an idiot. Okay, take 2. Testing the pin. I don't even know what it's called. Like, it doesn't have like a name on it, but it's the TikTok pin is what we'll call it. Seems like a pretty standard pin, but you could always use a good pin. All right, changed out of the Titans gear into my Christmas fit check. little bit inspired, a little bit themed on this one. So
like gremlins or something.
look at this fancy spread of snackies Jesta has prepared. Her homemade bruschetta, like she makes from the old country. Scrimps. And over here, some lovely looking stuffed mushrooms. Is this all it is?
What?
Is this all the mushrooms?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a small one.
Yeah. Maybe like 2 mushrooms per person.
I may have eaten a few of them.
Oh, come on now.
Yeah.
So Nephew P has arrived, and I would describe his outfit and look tonight as
Attire.
mid to late 90s high school movie villain. He looks,
Actually, so accurate.
he looks like a 90s high school movie bully. Did you do that?
I had to hold Margie.
Are you the bully?
Oh,
Margie licked my meat.
Margie got scared and fell down the stairs.
Margie licked my meat.
Somebody's here. Is it Santa Claus?
Who's that?
Oh.
I'm gonna eat one of your shrimps.
Margie licked my meat.
Pointer!
What the heck is this one? He's so cute.
Oh, the pin!
Crown.
What in the world?
You have to wear your
What
crown.
did I get?
Say what? That's
And they're
good.
supposed to be.
Ah!
I get tape.
What? I got a rock.
I
That
got
was a laser pointer. I was like, what? That's perfect.
I got cufflinks for my suit I wear all the time.
Joke's on you.
King in the castle, king in the castle, king in the castle.
So,
So Parker got the prank one.
He got the prank one.
I got cufflinks for my suits I wear all the time.
Right there.
Look at this. Santa Claus brought everybody special gifts. Bree got Margie the dog. Steven got a mango.
I got nothing.
I got a bottle of vodka. What is this? I'm not even a drinker.
You got an inhaler.
All right, quick power ranking of the hors d'oeuvres for me. Mushrooms number 1. The special like peach jam summer sausage that Justin made number 2. Bruschetta number 3. And then all like the cheese and cracker stuff just kind of all runs together and it's good. But 1, 2, 3. All good though. All right, so even though I'm not a drinker, every year I'm in charge of coming up with a specialty Christmas cocktail. So this year, here's what we're going with. A little bit of Deep Eddy's lemon, Sprite, cranberry. Gonna shake all that up over ice. Actually, don't do this on camera. And I've got one last special ingredient to add to it at the very end, so stay tuned for that. Oop. There it is. Voila. Signature drink is ready. Sparkles aren't showing up as much as I hoped they would. Probably show up more on the way out. Cheers. Hey, you know me. I'm not a drinker. This is pretty good. Okay, Jesta, I'm not a drinker, but you, I mean, good grief. You
This is yours right here.
I did it. Shut up, Parker. I did it for the video. Obviously, it's Christmas. I got to do things I don't normally do for the video. But as a seasoned, experienced, shut up, animal, heavy drinker, how would you rate this year's Christmas cocktail?
it's good, but it's a little herby.
Herbs?
Too much
No.
herbs.
You don't herbs in yours?
It's perfect.
Perfect. See,
I
Sissy knows.
like the taste of
The herbs.
the the herbs.
Sissy knows her alcohol better than you.
Well, we
Oh, my crown fell off. Here we go. Moment of truth. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Mmm. How does it look?
Looking good.
Right.
Moo moo. No.
Don't go in the oven. Moo moo.
No.
Oh yeah, that does look very delicious. Gonna let it rest to finish up. Poured the pan drippings into a little saucepan so we can make some au jus. Be a little beef stock, little flour, just stir it all up, cook that down really easily, simple to make. I'll be eating this very shortly.
Mommy, you can make your little own casserole.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can take some of
Hey, I
my
need the scissors.
bowl sets if
This
you
is not
want.
more.
Where's Margie?
And the scissors.
I'm gonna go see her.
And just take it from her and open the exact same
And you got
situation.
Am I not cut daddy?
So good, so cute. I love that it's like random Pokemon.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Remember you were saying you didn't
I
have
use the
have
round
little
ones that you got me.
And now here is the full dinner spread. Prime rib came out really good. This salad from Maggiano's is the bomb.
Marty, you ready for prime rib?
Wow, you even look like more of a bully now. Quit looking. Where'd you get a chain and a wife beater from? Who dresses you?
We went to New York and that's what he came back with.
What? Yeah, New York's bad news. Don't anybody ever go to New York. Hi, Margie.
No.
What are these? What do we got? What do we got? What are these?
What is that?
What are those?
I don't know
Ooh,
what those are.
Looks like donuts.
What are they? Tell us, Shasta.
Strawberries, gross.
I don't know.
Tell us what they are. Why
I can't get it open.
can't you open it and tell us what they are?
Matt! My God.
You're supposed to tell us what the treats are.
There we
That
go.
tiramisu looks so good. I just want a bite of it. How do you feel about being yelled at on camera?
Well, you know, it's never fun to get yelled at, but it definitely is funnier on content when Jessica yells at me than when she's nice to me, so anything for the channel.
Okay. Like,
Glitter in the drinks?
Yes.
You did that because you said you wanted to see if you got glitter poop.
Shh, I'm trying to get some cat videos. And just when they thought all the gifts had been opened, there was one special gift left under the tree. No, not the gift I want. Yay, there's the gift. Merry Olimus. Quickly, we'll highlight the haul from night one of our Christmas festivities here. I got this nice t-shirt. To be honest, when I found out the patriarchy wasn't about horses, I lost interest, which goes along with my I Am Knuff hoodie that I got. Got a Harry Potter cookbook, which we'll have to probably dig into and do some items from for the channel. Got a wreath for my Jeep Wrangler. I've always wanted one of these, but I've never really understood how they could possibly work. But my sister-in-law was nice enough to get one for me, so we're gonna have to figure it out. That thing to adapt for my CarPlay to make it wireless. This is an interesting one Jessica got me. Rechargeable hand warmers. Unfortunately, because the Titans stink this year, they're not going to go deep enough in the playoffs to where I'll need them there, but we do have some February Nashville SC matches coming up, so maybe we'll get some use out of those there. Some new soccer Adidas pants. A nice Roebuck hoodie. I've been wanting to check their stuff out for a while, and Jessica pulled the trigger and got me a nice hoodie. I like it. It's like kind of lightweight, but it'll probably keep you warm. It's probably like the perfect style hoodie for Nashville, where we never get like fully cold. We have those days where you're like stuck in between, where you could almost wear a hoodie, but it's not quite cold enough. And then the highlight. I randomly mentioned that I wanted this in a vlog, and I don't even remember why I said I wanted it, but I'm so glad I did, because Jessica managed to find me a Billy Volek throwback Titans jersey. This is awesome. Once again, unfortunately, the season's basically over. I'm not going to get a chance to wear it this year, but it is probably a little bit larger than what I would normally wear, so maybe I need to spend the next year growing into it, and I can wear it next football season. Shout out Billy Volek. Stars right above my head. That's going to do it for Christmas Eve. Wrapping it up with a little viewing of Turbo Man, sitting by the tree, having a little Mickey Mouse nightcap. I'm not a drinker, but Jessica said if I have a little nightcap, it might help me sleep so that I don't wake up and catch Santa in the act tonight. So just following Jessica's advice, and if anybody knows about drinking, it's old Jessica. That's what they say. Anyways, it was a great night. Loved all my gifts. Loved spending time with family. Titans game was whatever. We survived. Hope your family's having as good of a holiday season as we're having here. Going to my parents' house tomorrow for Christmas Day. Should have some more fun times there. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, and until the next one, enjoy your life. If there was one negative of this Christmas Eve evening, is I only got to wear my Clark Griswold jumpsuit. It wasn't a jumpsuit. My Clark Griswold get up for about the first 20, 30 minutes that we were hanging out, because I took it off when I was going to make the au jus, because I didn't want to have, the gravy splatter up on me or anything like that. And then it's unseasonably hot here in Nashville. It was borderline in the 70s today, so it was just too hot to wear a cardigan and a button up and a tie. But I think it looked cool for the brief time I was able to wear it. Just wanted to throw that in there.